So, Sana, as we progress into women who are in childbearing age.
Correct.
Okay. So, can you tell me what's the most common
Challenge they face.
exactly?
Yes. So when the woman is planning to get pregnant, even before that, she has to correct her health issues, whatever she is facing. Because the most common health issue which a pregnant patient can face is iron deficiency anemia. She is menstruating, she is losing blood. And if she is iron deficient, then of course during pregnancy she will have a lot of problems.
So, how does this woman know? What are the symptoms of iron deficiency or anemia?
Yes. Because see, mostly women will not go to get their blood checked just to find out that whether they are iron deficient or not. But there are certain symptoms which are very common, like she'll start feeling very tired very soon by doing little work only. She'll feel dizzy, she lose hair, fatigue. She'll start losing hair. Then she'll
pale.
faint.
Yeah, anemia. So, what is the requirement with the RDA? How much should a young woman be consuming?
Yeah, it is approximately 18 milligrams.
Yeah.
But then you have to get yourself checked, and according to your deficiency, your doctor will write you the dose.
Okay, but as a nutritionist, I can guide you as to what food is rich in iron.
And also, again, do tell us that if we combine the iron with certain other foods, will the absorption help?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
And I'll tell you the inhibitors also.
Yeah.
So if you're a non-vegetarian, you must eat red meat, and you must eat poultry, seafood, fatty fish. And if you're a vegetarian, go in for legumes, pulses, spinach, fruits and nuts and seeds and quinoa even, But make sure, like Sana just said, that you should combine this with vitamin C. This will help the absorption. So consume, tomatoes, citrus fruits, oranges, like she said, and also bell peppers. And make sure you combine your iron-rich food with this. But there is a catch.
Yeah.
They're inhibitors also.
Okay.
What they do is they block this absorption. So what you need to, you need to avoid coffee, tea, coffee, tea, but not always. What supplements do you think will benefit them?
Well, during pregnancy, we advise the patients, even before she's starting to plan, that you start taking folic acid. Folic acid, 5 milligrams per day has to be taken, so that any of the chromosomal anomalies which the baby might have can be avoided. And then change to iron supplements, multivitamin and calcium, which are very, very important for bone development and for the overall health of the pregnant patient and the baby.
Thank you, Sana.